Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is July the 17th on a Monday morning. Taking a look at the SPY on Friday, you got to pay attention to this kind of spinning top we had with the red body there. This can signify a kind of a pause, maybe a pullback. We've got a little bit extended, and if you pulled up the weekly, I'm not going to pull it up, you're going to see this 450 is a pivot level and is a resistance level. So after a big run, running into some major resistance, could look for maybe a pullback to these moving averages, maybe retest this breakout right here in the SPY. But let's jump into some ideas for the day, and it's all about the setup. I think you got to watch Apple. Apple did not participate, and I've seen this song and dance before. It does not participate in the rally, and then what happens? The market starts getting weak, and Apple starts going higher. So, and plus, I just really love the setup. Just maybe mark that 3-day high there. If it gets above it, could be a potential buy there in Apple. Tesla has been really strong over the last several months. It is gapping up today, and it looks like it wants to kind of get above this range here. So watch Tesla. Workday, strong day on Friday, closing near highs, seeing a little bit of a gap up. Very strong chart, been moving sideways now for a couple of weeks. So kind of watch that 225 level in Workday. Also, this is kind of a long shot, but liking the setup again. I'm out of Neo now. I've done well on it, but we're going to watch this level if it pulls back and holds this kind of 1040 level or maybe even this 1030 level, but just make it easier for you. Look for a high above Friday's high. So look for a print above Friday's high, which is around 1085. All right, guys, that's it for today. Have a good one. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.